In today's digital age, video content is king, but accessibility is key. Adding captions to your videos not only enhances accessibility but also improves viewer engagement and SEO. However, manually adding captions can be time-consuming and tedious. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to automate the process of adding captions to your videos, saving you time and effort while ensuring accessibility for all viewers. The tool we will be using here is CapCut. CapCut is one of the popular and easiest video editing tool available today. And it's perfect for what we need because CapCut provides a feature that automates generating captions. CapCut is available in PC, Android, and iOS. For this tutorial, I will be using the PC version. To download CapCut, visit CapCut.com and click Download for Windows. Then install it. When the setup is done, you can now start working on your videos. To add captions to your videos automatically, you need to create and add your voiceover audio file in the CapCut media and drag and drop it in the timeline. If you already have a video and you just want to add captions automatically using CapCut, add that video in the media in CapCut, then drag and drop it in the timeline. Now that a media with audio is in your timeline, click the text option above. Here, you can see options on how you want to add your caption on your video. You can manually add one, use an AI to generate text effects, use preset effects and design templates, or even import a file with your own manually made captions or subtitle in SRT, LRC, and ASS format. We will select the auto caption because we want to automatically create captions in our video. Choose the exact language of your voiceover for a more accurate captions. Then click the Generate button. Wait for a while as CapCut is scanning your audio to generate captions. Once the captions are generated, you can see it in the timeline. Your captions are already synced with every words on your voiceover audio, so be careful not to move it. Note: you need to have a clear voiceover so that CapCut can generate captions word by word. Now that you already have captions in your video, you can customize it to follow your branding or just to make your video more appealing. Click on the part of the timeline where there is a caption. Click the caption. In the right side of the editor, toggle on this checkbox if you want the changes you will make will be applied to all the captions in this project. If you want to just change this specific caption, uncheck the box. You can also edit the words or spelling of the caption here. Change the font, adjust the size, choose either uppercase, lowercase, or into title case, change color, and more. There are also presets available here. Scroll to add more effects on your captions. If you see, a lot of videos today like Mr. Beast's videos only shows every captions word by word. And in default, CapCut cuts the sentence in random length. To shorten each captions to be shown, click Captions. Click the line you want to cut and then a cursor will appear. Press the Enter button in every part you want to be separated. There are also options to add additional line of caption or delete a line. And if you want your captions to be fun to look at, you can add animations too. Choose the type of animation you want for your captions: intro, outro, and more. If you want to select a specific animations for each of your captions, make sure to uncheck the Apply to All in the text menu. There are also some few templates available here. Just open this tabs. Some templates are already in word by word, so you don't need to manually cut your captions. Experiment and don't be afraid to try them. Now that you already added captions to your videos without breaking a sweat, don't forget to double-check your captions by playing the video. Then export the video if all things are met. We hope this video helps you in creating your videos either for your marketing purposes or personal use. Consider giving us a thumbs up, leave a comment for some questions and suggestions, and subscribe to our channel for more internet marketing tutorials. And if you want to add a voiceover for your videos without recording your own voice, check out this video.